Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we would like to discuss about page borders. So here you see that here is my page, and here I'm having my code that I'm using the package geometry with certain customization. So I would like to comment this part first of all. And now when I comment this part, you see that the border of the page is by default like this. So you see there are many spaces from any side of the paper. So this is the default version when you create a file on Overleaf. However, if I would like to modify this, I can simply use package. So we would like to have this customization. We need to include the package geometry. In order to include that, we have a backslash use package keyword, and then we are having geometry in the curly braces. So we're going to run now, and we see that there is a difference in the page border format, and we are having the margin of 1. So this margin we can also play with. So we can have 1.5, for example. We can have 2, for example. You see it's changing. We could have 0.5, and we see that now it's changing as well. So depending on what format we are looking for, we can customize the margin here. And also, if we would like to have the A4 paper size, we can have A4 paper here, for example, and run. And we see that now it's in the format of A4 paper with the margin of 1. So we can also modify this still if we are interested. So we see that we can modify it as we want. So depending on what we are looking for, we can modify the margin here using the geometry package. Thank you for watching.